Hi. Today I want to discuss about the quality attributes of the embedded systems. The operational quality attributes of the embedded system standard for the applications of the quality attributes. And the important terms of the quality attributes are as follows: response, throughput, reliability, maintainability, security, and safety. So these are the main important quality attributes of the embedded systems. So first one is response. Response is measured as it measures the quickness of the system. So uh, it gives you have any idea the system how the system is fast. The tracking of the system is input variables. So most of the embedded systems demands fast response. For example, flight control application. In any response delay in this application, will the system will create potential damage. Potential damage and passengers also uh, the potential damage and the safety of the failure, the flight as well as the passengers. So next one is throughput. Throughput, it deals with the efficiency of the system. The rate is defined as the unit of the units such as units of productions, unit of products, and batch products, unit of the products, batch produces, etc. The throughput is generally expressed in terms of the benchmark. A benchmark is a reference point by something we can measure. Something we can measure. And next one is reliability. The reliability is how the percentage of the system, we, how much percentage you relay the proper functioning of the system. So there are in another terms it is defined as mean time between failure and mean time to repair. The mean time between failure is number of failures, frequencies of the failures in hour, week, or day, or month, or years, whatever it may be. Number of failures are measured there. Next, mean time to repair. ఎన్ని టైమ్స్ ఆ సిస్టమ్ని మనం రిపేర్ చేసాము అంటే ఫెయిల్యూర్ అయిన దానికంటే ఫెయిల్యూర్ అయిన వాటి ఎన్ని టైమ్స్ ఫెయిల్యూర్ అయింది, ఎన్ని టైమ్స్ ఆ సిస్టమ్ని రిపేర్ చేసాము. సో దిస్ ఇస్ ద మెయిన్ టైమ్ టు రిపేర్. అండ్ మెయింటైనబిలిటీ. The maintainability is it deals with the support and maintenance. It deals with the support and maintenance. So the reliability and maintainability are interconnected to each other. Uh, the maintainability is classified into two types. First one is scheduled or periodic maintainability. Next second one is maintenance to unexpected failures. So these two types are classified in maintainability. And mm, the the reliability is increases means the reliability of the system is increases, the chances of the failure is reduces. So the if the reliability of the system is low, the chances the maintenance is high. So next one is security. The security of the system is involves confidentiality, integrity, and availability. Confidentiality, integrity, and availability. So these three terms are involved in the security. So the first term is confidentiality. The confidentiality concern with preventing the data and application from the unauthorized users. And next one is integrity. The protection of the data from the unauthorized user. And next one is availability, the protection of the data and the application from unauthorized user. This is the security. And next one is sorry. And next one is safety. 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 It is deals with the possible changes that can happen to the operators. That can happens to the operators, public and environmental due to the breakdown of the system. Breakdown of the embedded system. So this is the security. These terms belongs to quality attributes of embedded system. So next class is continue on the next video.